Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to use Trello's Time in List Power-Up, a real game changer for managing project timelines and efficiency. Start by opening your Trello board and selecting a card. Here's where the magic begins. On the right panel, click on the Power-Ups button. From the drop-down menu, pick Time in List. Now, the reason we do this is to activate this power-up in the card, and it's crucial because it lets us track how long the card has been in the list. Once that's done, head back to your card. You'll notice a new Time in List button. Click on it, and you'll see a timer start ticking away. This helps us because it begins logging the time this card stays in its current list, which is great for monitoring how long tasks take. Now, let's say you want to move your card to a different list. Drag and drop it as you usually would. You'll see that the timer resets. This happens because the power-up starts tracking the time in the new list from scratch, helping you identify bottlenecks or delays in your process. In case you're wondering what's happening behind the scenes, the power-up is logging all these times. Just click on the Time in List button again to see a detailed report of the card's journey. Let me explain why this matters. It's not just about the time, it's about understanding workflow efficiency and identifying areas for improvement. In conclusion, Trello's Time and List Power-Up is a formidable tool for project management that's easy to use. Next up, start using this power-up and make your project management more efficient. And that's a wrap for today's tutorial. Thanks for tuning in.